Hello, my English speakers. My name is Nicolas Barrera, and I want to present our project. Our project was called Onion Project. You know, we all love vegetables. The onion has been a serious effect for the climate change. That's sad. We all love onion. And that's what I want to tell you about the goal number 13 of the United Sustainable Development, which focus is on limiting and adopting the climate change. We are seeking a change in our school. Our project is looking for a positive change in our school and inform students and encourage teachers and personnel to change behavior and attitudes to well as change. Some utilities to maximize effectiveness and sustainable. First of all, we want to educate on the environment. Then, we want to promote good habits. Organize a campaign which seeks to change our little habits as leaving the light and the computers on. Then, we have to implement waste separation programs. The transition to sustainable packing is important to change that, and we have a sustainable package made of recycled materials and that.
On the search for more data on this topic, our group has organized and sent a survey directed towards the most experienced group of individuals in our school. Well, at least students. The third of bachelor. Here's a surprising one. A little bit more than half of students don't actually bring their own bottles to school. Reusable bottles such as this, which can be refilled infinitely. 56.3% just buy bottles, plastic bottles, which are then not really repurposed instantly, but most of them really, end up in the street somewhere perhaps. In this graph we can see that most students do, or at least try to turn off lights and the computer when they are not in use. In the following questions we can see a more clear image of the issues in our school. Look at this graph. The vast majority of students think that trash in our school should be separated, and actually separated into plastic, paper and other materials. On the topic of variety of materials, the vast majority of students also believe that the cafeteria should adapt into more environmentally friendly materials such as cardboard, and one person even suggested bamboo materials to replace the plastic bags and wraps for food. Here we have another graph that really shows the issues that the school is facing. 93.8% believe that there should be more talks about the environment at our school. Perhaps one of experts, or perhaps a campaign that is shared in our school. We were curious, and because we were really not sure ourselves, but why do they think that paper is so often that you enter the bathroom and the paper being empty? Most of them seem to agree that it's their irresponsible use of paper by some students, and other people believe that perhaps the school is refilling the paper not regularly enough. Based on this data, we can clearly see that the school needs change in some aspects, and to really seek for at least gradual changes to more sustainable and environmentally friendly practices.
Hello with everyone, my name is Mary Janet. In this day, I have the opportunity to explain the different ideas we have for school campaign. The first proposal is education workshops. Organize workshops to educate students about the science of climate change, its causal effect. Invited guest speakers such as environment scientists or activists to share insights and inspire action. The second proposal is waste reduction initiative. Implementing waste reduction programs such as composting, recycling drives, and reducing single-use plastic in school, premise, in the others. In encourage students to bring solve the weather, barrels, and launch containers. For example, sorry, the other proposal is tree planting campaign, organize tree planting event in collaboration with local environment organization. Trees help absorb carbon dioxide and mitigate the effects of climate change. In the other proposal is monitoring and evaluation. Regularly monitor the progress of the campaign and evaluate its impact of reducing carbon footprint and promoting sustainable practice, adjusting strategies as need to ensure effectiveness. Another proposal is to separate all the garbage into certain bags in which we can differentiate certain materials, such as the material that can be recycled. This helps to organize the garbage. Now we go with the last proposal, which is to change some aspect of the bar so that the attention can really include more sustainable products such as paper. Were all the proposals, and we hope to buy a change starting in our society. Bye bye. Nice to see you.
Okay, to the conclusion, this is the Onion Project. Is to make people aware the climate action. We do look of the solution. The planet live and natural, and the human race are the danger. So we creating all the project, and we are going to make a small change to solve the problem with different activities. So let's start making the change for the better world. Thank you very much.